Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Economica Job Preparations. আজি আমি এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্ট এক্সামৰ বাবে নতুন এটা ভিডিঅ' লৈ আহিছোঁ। যদি আমাৰ চেনেলটোত নতুনকৈ আহিছা দেন লাইক, শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। লগতে এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্টৰ নোটছ আমাৰ টেলিগ্ৰাম চেনেলটোত প্ৰভাইড কৰা হৈছে। আপোনালোকে চেনেলটোত গৈ জইন হৈ ল'ব আৰু চেনেলৰ লিংক এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত দিয়া হৈছে। আৰু নতুন ভিডিঅ'ৰ আপডেট হোৱাৰ বাবে আমাৰ এই চেনেলটোতে দিয়া হ'ব। চ' এতিয়া আমি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ কুৱেশ্যনছবোৰ। কুৱেশ্যনছ নাম্বাৰ 1, জিঞ্জাৰ ইজ প্ৰপাগেটেড বাই মিনছ অফ অপশ্যন এ ৰাইজ'জমছ, অপশ্যন বি কৰ্মছ, অপশ্যন চি টিউবাৰ্ছ, অপশ্যন ডি ষ্টুলন। ইয়াৰ আনচাৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন এ ৰাইজ'জম। কুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 2, লাৰ্ভা অফ flies is known as maggot except option A bear fruit fly, option B mustard fly, option C soot fly, option D fruit fly. Your answer to hoise option B mustard fly. Question number 3, which one of the following is not a type of farming? Option A dry farming, option B ranching, option C joint farming, option D mixed farming. Your answer is option C joint farming. Question number 4, the National Policy for Farmers 2007 was formed on recommendations of National Commissions on Farmers 2006 under the chairmanship of option A M.S. Swaminathan, option B Dr. Rangarajan, option C Dr. Narsimha, option D Dr. Chakravarti. Your answer to is option A M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 5, if Indian banks fail to meet their PSL target, that amount goes to Rural Infrastructure Development Fund under NABARD. In case of foreign banks, it goes to Small Industries Development Fund under option A NABARD, option B FICCI, option C SIDBI, option D MOMSME. Your answer to is option B SIDBI. Question number 6, what is the minimum exposure of any foreign banks in India for the micro enterprise under priority sector lending? Option A 10% of ANBC, option B 20% of ANBC, option C 18% of ANBC, option D 7.5% of ANBC. Your answer to is option D 7.5% of ANBC. Question number 7, among the given options, which of the following livestock has highest feed conversion ratio? Option A beef cattle, option B dairy cattle, option C pig, option D sheep. Your answer to is option D sheep. Question number 8, what is the coverage of Pradhan Mantra Awas Yojana? Option A EWS only, option B EWS and LIG only, option C EWS, LIG and MIG, option D EWS, LIG, MIG and HIG. Your answer to is option C EWS, LIG and MIG. Question number 9, who is among the following option is not correct for classifications under plantations crops? Option A tea, cocoa and rubber, option B oil palm, tea and coffee, option C arkanut, cashewnut and tea, option D arkanut, hazelnut and plum. Your answer to is option D arkanut, hazelnut and plum. Question number 10, popularly known as Kishan Devas, the National Farmers Day is a national occasion observed on dash every year. National Farmers Day is celebrated in the honor of the former Prime Minister of India, Chaudhary Charan Singh. National Farmers Day is celebrated across the nation with great enthusiasm and interest? Option A 23 December, option B 15 November, option C 18 October, option D 22 September. Your answer is option A 23 December. Question number 11. Dash will design the KCC card to be adopted by all the banks with their branding. Option A, the National Payment Corporations of India, NPCI. Option B, RBI. Option C, NABARD. Option D, MasterCard. Your answer is option A, the National Payment Corporations of India, NPCI. Question number 12. Critical stage for irrigation in chickpea are option A, branching and pod development, option B, flowering and branching, option C, pre-flowering and pod development, option D, branching only. Your answer to hoise option C, pre-flowering and pod development. Question: in a CAM plant, the concentrations of organic acid, option A, increases during the day, option B, decreases or increases during the day, option C, increases during night, option D, decreases during any time. Your answer is option A, increases during the day. Question number 14. Cotyledon remains in the soil and plumule grows or is pushed upward by the elongations of epicotyle. This type of germination is called option A, apical germination, option B, epicotyle germination, option C, hypogeal germination, option D, A and B. Your answer to is option C, hypogeal germinations. Question number 15. An equipment that uses synthetic materials with molecular compositions comparable to pheromones to capture. Option A, female moth, option B, male moth, option C, caterpillar, option D, female buzz. Your answer to hoise option B, male moth. Question number 16. Which of the following state in India provided maximum oil palm productions? Option A, Andhra Pradesh, option B, Karnataka, option C, Assam, option D, Kerala. Your answer to is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.